Welcome back. Yes, it's me. Hey, today I'm going to help you find the measure of angles in polygons. Oh, yeah. Do you know how many sides a polygon has? Do ya? Do ya? It's a trick question. Polygon is just a name for a shape. A shape. A polygon. A triangle is a polygon. A square is a polygon. A pentagon is a polygon. They're all polygons. It's just another word for shape. All right. Let's get started. Go ahead and get your notebook out. Write this down. The sum of the measures of the interior angles. What is that? Let's delete that. There we go. I don't know what that was. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180, where n represents the number of sides. That's all you have to know. That's that formula that you need. That's all, right? So it says n represents the number of sides. So we're going to take the number of sides of whatever polygon we have, and we're going to replace that n with it. And then we're just going to solve to tell us how many degrees we have. That's it. That's it. To see how many degrees that particular shape has. That's it. Okay. Thank you for coming. Hey, if you got some value, I'm just kidding. Let's go through it. All right. Let's apply it here. Let's see. Let me get my fancy pencils here. What do I feel like? Green. I like green. Green is one of my favorite colors, just so you know. The favorite or one of my favorite? Okay. Focus, focus. All right. So if I'm going to use the formula, n minus 2 times 180, n representing the number of sides, right? Well, this triangle has obviously 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. So to solve it, I would simply do 3 minus 2 times 180. That's it. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 times 180 is 180. Yes, and that makes sense because all triangles have 180 degrees. See how easy that was? See how easy that was? We found the measure of all interior angles, the sum of the interior angles, right? That's what we're finding. We're not finding individual angles, but merely the sum of all interior angles. So let's take a look at this one. Looking a little weird. Well, on this one, what I can do is, let me get my fancy pencil and cut this thing right here. Oh, what did I just make? I made 2 triangles, didn't I? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. All right. So I have 2 triangles. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 sides. Is that what we have? Oh my goodness. So why would I cut it in half? Let's take a look here. Let's go back to the first one. Notice we did the number of sides, which is 3, and we subtracted 2, and then we got 180. This right here, 1 times 180, well, the 1 here actually represents how many triangles we have, because everything is based off a triangle. So merely, if I do this, if I cut it in half, I can clearly see I have 2 triangles. I don't have to worry about how many sides I have. I can just plug in a 2, just like this. Hey, what happened to my pencil? 2 times 180, and that equals 360. See that? So I don't have to worry about counting the sides. I can just turn it. If I can turn it into various triangles, I can do that. Now, let's see. Does that really work? Let's just count the sides. 1 side, 2, 3, 4. If I would have done that other formula, that would have been 4 minus 2 times 180, which equals 2 times 180, which is exactly what I did there. See that? Did you see that? I'm giving you the shortcuts, all right? So pay attention. What I want you to do is look at this one. Use the formula. Go ahead and pause the video. See if you can do it. So, what did you do? Did you just count the sides? There's nothing wrong with that. Did you cut it into triangles? You could have done that. Doesn't matter. Just to show you that both methods work, let's go ahead and cut it into triangles here. We'll do a line up here. There's a triangle. Oh no, this is not a triangle. But if I do this, there we go. Now I have a triangle here, triangle here, triangle here. So I have 3 triangles. So it'll be 3 times 180. Hey, there you go. 3 times 180. What is 3 times 180? I don't have my calculator out. That's 30, 24. That's 54, 50. So 540. 540 degrees. Well, let's prove it. Let's see it the other way by counting the sides and using this formula up here. So we have one side, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 sides. So we have 5. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. My pencil's going crazy. Stop it. Stop it. Someone's taking over. That's terrible. They should have, what? They should make videos when technology malfunctions. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I thought it'd be pretty cool. But anyway, let's go back to this. How many sides did we say we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 3 times 180, which is exactly what I did there. See that? Yeah, see that? All right. So this is kind of, not kind of, it is an irregular shape. So then I make triangles out of it, right? This is it considered irregular? That's a regular shape, the triangle. That's a regular shape. And this one, it is irregular because not all sides are the same. I suppose that one's caved in more. It's more like a trapezoid, right? All right. So I hope you get the idea. That's all I wanted to show you there on how to find the measure of all angles in polygons. All right. All you have to remember is this formula here. You can count the number of sides, or you can just turn it into various triangles and figure them out. But don't go away yet. One more thing I want to show you. What is the sum of the measures of interior angles of a decagon? Can you solve it? What's a decagon? Sounds like some kind of transformer. I am here to teach you math. Oh no, stop playing. I can't focus. All right. No, but seriously, pause the video and see if you can find the measure of the interior angles of a decagon. I'll be here waiting. You back already? All right. I hope you did pause it and try it. The first thing you may be wondering is what a decagon is. Part of the prefix deca, meaning 10. So it's a 10-sided. 10-sided. It's kind of a shy shape. No, 10-sided shape. Focus, focus. All right, 10-sided shape. So if I want to do this, I can just do n minus 2 times 180, which is basically 10 minus 2 times 180, which is basically 8 times 180. That's a big zero. Okay. So 8 times 180. That's 80 plus 64. That's 144. 144. So a 10-sided shape has 1,440 degrees. Did I do the math right? Look, I told you I didn't have a calculator, but I don't want to leave this video if that answer is wrong. What? You're saying it's right? Okay. I know I believe you, but I'm going to test it out for myself anyway. So I'm going to pull up the calculator in my phone, and I'm just going to do 8 times 180. All right, 1440. My brain is still functioning. All right, so there you go. That's how you find it. And of course, in your head, you could have easily done 10 minus 2 and just plug in an 8 times 180, and then you have your answer there. Okay? Now, one other thing. Don't go away. Don't go away. Why are you so ready to log off? Relax. What I want to show you is how to find the measure of exterior angles. The only thing you have to know here is, let's read this together now. Follow along. No matter the number of sides in a polygon, the sum of the exterior angle measures is equal to 360 degrees. Just like a circle. Just like a circle. So no matter how many angles I have out here on the outside of the polygon, they will always total 360 degrees. Come on. Am I giving you some good information? I know I am. Hey, listen, that's all I wanted to give you. Now, if you watch this video, I hope you take notes, because what I want to challenge you to do is figure out why the formula is n minus 2. Why do I have to take the number of sides of a shape and subtract 2 and then multiply it times 180? If you can answer that for me, within the next 5 days, I'll have a surprise for you. A gift. A personal gift from me to you. All right? Hey, take care. And like always, if you got value out of this, hit the like and subscribe button, all right? And I'll see you next time on Math Quest. Goodbye.